Magandang umaga sa atin lahat. My dear Team PNP, my family, and my classmates from PMA Class 1992, friends from the media, magandang umaga. I stand before you entrusted with the full command of the Philippine National Police. Fully aware that this responsibility rests on the discipline, professionalism, and sacrifices of every police officer who serves, whether on the front lines or behind the scenes. I accept this responsibility with resolve and a clear sense of purpose. My career has taught me one constant truth: policing must be firm, fair, and anchored on integrity. These are not slogans. These are standards. They will guide my leadership as Chief of the Philippine National Police. Our dedication is set by the PNP Focus Agenda, aligned with the national vision of Bagong Pilipinas, and carried by our institutional commitment, Bagong PNP para sa Bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. We will enhance managing police operations through intelligence-driven and risk-based policing. We will act decisively against illegal drugs, loose firearms, and terrorism. We will strengthen security for vital installations, manage crowd effectively, and anticipate threats before they place our communities at risk. We will manage our resources with strict accountability so that manpower, logistics, and funding directly serves police operations. We will strengthen morale and welfare because discipline and motivation are operational necessities, not privileges. We will enforce integrity at all levels because public trust is built by conduct and loss of tolerance of wrongdoing. As Chief, I will lead this organization in faithful service to the Constitution. I will enforce the rule of law without fear or favor. Professionalism, discipline, and integrity are not optional. They are expected. I ask for your unity and your commitment. Together, we build a police organization that is operationally capable, morally upright, and responsive to the people we are sworn to protect. Inaasahan ko ang inyong suporta. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very